At Tots and Moms food store, very frequently we get this question asking, can I cook Tots and Moms food mixes with formula? Or in general, can I cook baby food with formula milk? If this is your question, let me tell you, no, because boiling or cooking formula milk can change its property and it can become a health hazard. And if your question is, can I mix formula milk with baby food? Then maybe what you can do is you can cook baby food like sattu maavu porridge you have cooked, cool it down completely, then add a spoon of formula milk and offer it. The best is to offer formula milk as formula milk. Especially babies do not need formula milk after 1 year. So until 1 year you can offer it, and after that there are plenty of things that can add value to their health, right? There are fruits, there are vegetables, there are dry fruits, there are meat that you can offer. So go ahead and give that. There are plenty of options, and I hope that I answered your question. We are on a mission healthy next gen. So do follow us for recipes, ideas, and immunity boosting tips.